school today?
What? Everything.
Nothing. Gonna cook this steak. Got baked potato in the oven.
Wow.
You don't want that?
Yeah. What are you doing, Coach?
That's what I'm doing.
What are you doing today?
Huh?
What are you doing? What's nothing?
But it's some sandwich in there for you.
What are you doing? What all that?
You say it.
What's all that? Yeah. Can I have one of these with it? The eggy?
What?
Eggy.
A what?
An eggy.
What's the egg?
You don't know what an egg is?
Oh, yeah.
You don't know what an egg is? Sure. Yeah, she's good. A dessert candy. I'm gonna put this on 30 seconds. I don't like it too much. But you know how people let you down.
I gotta wait till she get home from work. I guess that's what she's saying.
Work?
Yeah, don't
No,
have to.
she means that when
I thought her mama worked at the school.
she does.
So she not home yet. You know, teachers get out after the students. Hey, y'all. Hi. It's Friday. And we're going to have us some steak. That light. Sorry about that. Let's turn you this way. Hey, y'all. Come on in. Come on in. How y'all doing? I've been gone all day, y'all. I'm gonna pull this together and cook this. Get it going good. Then we're gonna add some onions in here. I'm getting ready to sprinkle some cheese on the bread. And I got baked potatoes in the oven. We're gonna add the onions in just a minute. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Yeah, y'all don't mean I understand that. Okay, I got you, Jean. I see it. Jean stay on to me about keeping that board up all the time. I'm using some butter. Garlic butter, y'all. I'm gonna put some more of this garlic butter on my steak. We're gonna be garliced up, ain't we? And then I'm finna shake some. Then I'm finna shake some cheese on it. Garlic butter. And no, I didn't make this. I bought it. And I'm finna put a little bit more on my inside of my steak. And I did season my steak with my everything green and Dale season. I'm not adding the onions yet. Not yet. Hey, will you look?
No.
Did I scare you? Will you look in the drawer and give me some shredded cheese?
Don't do that.
You sure? No, I didn't say slice. Give me the shredded cheese. Cheese like what I use in macaroni.
Cheese.
Cheese like what I use in macaroni. You don't see the shredded kind I put in macaroni? I do it on the bread. It's right on your face. So I do it. Yes. I do it. Thank you. Yeah, Ava. What is it, baby? I love you. No.
Chicken.
I know.
It smells like seafood.
I don't know why I smell like it. Okay. All right.
Now, how many of eggs do I get? 2? 4?
Yeah, because 4 make 2 eggs.
So I get 4 too.
You get 4 in the 4 of them.
Oh,
Because it'll make 2 eggs.
hold on. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah, yeah.
Wait, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Right.
That actually makes 3.
No, if you get 2 halves, that's 1 egg.
Oh! So get 4 eggs.
They about gone, ain't they?
No. Well, half of it is not all. It's just some. Can you make more?
Maybe.
Maybe what?
You might and stuff they eat so much.
Well, get that. Maybe when it's juicy. Yeah, guys, I love stuff that's juicy.
I know. I said, I know, baby.
Okay.
Okay, baby, go eat and take a nap. I love you. Okay, I'm good. Y'all watch this for me and don't let it burn. I gotta go over there and get that cheese. And talk about what I want to talk about. That's good. I'm almost finished. And you know, onions just make stuff have such amazing flavor. And that garlic butter hitting right. And butter make your meat cook faster. And this is done. It's done. You see it? Now you see it, now you don't. Built, paid for a body. The son is, his other wife is standing like this. Shout out to the Blowfish's wife. She just want to fit in the pictures. She's pushing all around because she's on the shoulders of Van. Yeah. And so, I'm so glad y'all know Morse code. And so, yeah. Christians. You know, people that whooped our butt and raped us said they were Christians too. Said they were and said they papa was on the meet the Lord. I believe that. But I don't want to run into him in heaven. And you know what? You know what get me? He gonna try to take Martin Luther King Day and Juneteenth and name it after himself like he done something. Anything a black man got, he try to undo. Lord bless and stretch it. Amen. Let me tell you something. That's the potato. So, look, Even the A1 steak sauce ain't no good no more. Everything in that, look, I just bought this. We ain't got nothing decent. Let me tell you something. The cut of beef, he said they need to come down on the price of beef. That's why they buying their beef from Argentina. He said he want Juneteenth and all those holidays to be. You can celebrate them, but they're going to be rump day. Let me just taste them. He wants it to be rump day. This has got cheese in it. You ain't gonna get no income tax money. I hope y'all know that. And I hope you enjoyed those little bit of stamps you got. It's a whole new guideline coming out in January. You're going to have to keep reapplying for stamps. Yeah, you have to keep reapplying. And the Democratic states ain't getting none until they turn that paperwork in. Well, because we didn't turn the paperwork in some Democratic states, I'm a Republican state, they're down there messing in the IRS. And Mustard is the one that's helping them out. Somebody other than the United States want that oil from Venezuela. I pray you have a good one too, Ryan. Somebody other than us, because we don't want to clean their oil. Somebody want it. I know I eat stuff hot. Somebody want it. The question is, who want the oil? Because they telling him they all will require too much cleaning. See, a lot of the rompers in the romper room, they'll sit in a room and they just listen. And it would have been a time they would have got smart earlier. The fact of the matter is that they falling out so much with each other, they don't know what to do. And then they want to say, oh, but the Lord said. The Lord ain't told him to do these people like that. The Lord ain't told him to go in the hospitals and get kids, to make deals with Russia. To mess with Venezuela. Try to take Jasmine Crockett's district. Try to undo anything a black person did and make it great again. You can't do what God didn't do. God didn't make one race, one color. He made a human race, many colors. Clock that too. So, they trying to undo what God didn't do. They want all of us gone. You know why? Because you are AI. And you made the cover of Time magazine. Artificial. Our melanin is in that computer. Welcome to the study of black people. Now you got BRICS that you still dealing with. You still dealing with Russia. You still dealing with China. And you still dealing with South Africa. But they are our enemy. And they said they was going to cause our dollar to fall. I'm for. You still dealing with them. And now you're going to say, we used Venezuela. And we took over there and added another country. And it's going to help you go around so you can look at BRICS. Not true. We got to learn how to fight. We got to learn how to fight. Y'all like to see me eat? And my numbers is growing because I'm eating. Y'all freaky. He's saying, well, if you're going to destroy the American dollar, what about my Bitcoin? They telling him, oh, no, that's the way to go. And we're going to force everybody's stocks and bonds, and we're going to shift them, and they're going to have to go with your penny.